Welcome! In this video, I'll show you the updated classroom resources pages of the American Association of Chemistry Teachers website, teachchemistry.org. If you log on to our main page, you'll see a few changes, primarily in the navigation bar. Notice that we no longer have a multimedia tab in the navigation bar. This is because we are now including our simulations, animations, videos, and all activities connected to them in the Classroom Resources section of the site. Classroom Resources is still the first tab. Click on it to see your choices: high school, middle school, and elementary school. Our most popular resources are listed under the navigation bar, and you can see we have the most popular for each grade level. You'll find a list of new classroom resources that have been added recently to the website on the left side of the page. On the right side of the page, there are links to other digital resources for the K-12 classroom. Scroll back up and take a look at our grade level resource pages. You'll find that we have standardized the topics. This is the elementary school page. You can see that there are 14 general topics. The middle school page is exactly the same. The topic of equilibrium has been added on the high school page. To search for a resource, select a grade level. I've chosen high school, and I want to look at the resources in our Chemistry Basics area. You'll see that we've added filters so that you can more easily find resources for your classroom. You can now refine your search by subtopic. There are 24 of them, and also by the type of resource. We showed 8 different types, such as an activity or a demo or a lab, and also by grade level. Since I originally selected high school, that's already checked. However, you could change the selection and then click the submit button. You can see that there are over 100 resources for high school students in our Chemistry Basics area at this time. I'm going to refine my search by choosing the periodic table as a subtopic. So I'll click on that, and I'll click on activity as the type of resource, and I'll submit my selection. And you can see that there are 12 resources for the periodic table. Resources that have a lock icon next to the title, such as this one, the P-Table Investigations, are unlocked and available to everyone. So choose a lesson. I'm going to pick the Periodic Trends Investigation, and you'll see an outline of the activity on the main page. If I scroll down, I see there's a summary, objectives, time, material, the teacher notes, and all of the information for the student. Note that there's no longer a comment section at the bottom of the page. Comments or questions about the resource can now be added to our discussion page. More about that in a later video. You can find the downloads for the resource over on the sidebar. Note that the teacher guide and the student activities can be downloaded either as a PDF or as a Word document that can be edited to meet the needs of your students. We've also added a favorites button next to the resource title. If you find a resource that you plan to use again or want to remember, hit the star and the resource will be bookmarked on the home page. We have also added an activity stream under the resource title, which will allow you to jump to resources for other related topics. You can see that this resource is also tagged for atomic radius, ionization energy, and electron affinity. Select one, and you'll be taken to a new list of related resources. We hope that you enjoyed the updates that we have made and the features we have added to our website. If you have questions, please contact us via email at aactconnect@acs.org.